We all know those two little words that can make even the most confident business person shudder. Business travel. That's right, we went there. You know you're not getting out of this one, so it's time to begin the mind-numbing, time-consuming, and frustrating task of scheduling your business trip. If you're one of the 8 to 9 million Americans with gout, you know the disease is painful, debilitating, stigmatized. You probably know that gout is a form of arthritis caused by uric acid buildup in your joints. But maybe what you're still wondering is, how in the world do I live with this disease? So let's talk about carbs, okay? They're delicious, we love them, but like the kindling, they burn off fast, giving you a quick burst of energy right before you crash, crave, and carb load again. I know it's a vicious cycle. You gain more weight every year while feeling tired, stressed, and drained. Advantages of the Diamond Basket's design include the continuous wire design creates a perfectly flat closed bottom, eliminating the mass of welded wire that obstructs roots. Zero butt welds. The unique design was engineered to allow the basket to close tight to the burlap-wrapped root ball during lacing. Applying this same marketplace thinking on a larger scale, we can design levers that address different constituent segments. By understanding our segments and developing services to address those needs, we can unlock the potential of our marketplace and create a better experience for users, greater value for creators, and better economics for Spotify.